How to delete group chat on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, keep in mind that you can only delete Messenger groups that you have created. If you are just a member and not the admin or the owner of the group, you can only leave and you cannot delete it. So say for example that you have created a group, a chat group, and now you want to delete it. What you can do is just head over to that group and then click on the information icon at the top right, then go to members. And essentially what we will be doing right here is we will be removing the members one by one till we remove ourselves at the end, and the group will be gone just like it's not existed. So let's click on the members and remove them. Say for example this one and this one, and as you can see only me, the admin, is left on this group. So let me remove myself and leave the conversation. Click leave to confirm, and as soon as you do that, the group will be gone. As you can see, it's like it has never existed. So that was it for this video. That's how we can remove group chat on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.